Queenie, are you using an iPad or a computer?
iPad.
Okay, Queenie, so take your finger and touch the bubble. Touch right here.
See?
Tap it. Tap right there. And then your keyboard should come up on your screen, yes?
Yes, I touch it.
Okay, so now you can touch the letters and say what you know about Cinderella.
I know all guitar because I will. I never try, but you can explore it. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. You see, there it was. I saw that.
Now it's not how to ask. I don't do it. I just.
Look.
Okay.
Mary, are you on a computer or an iPad?
I'm on the computer.
Okay, Mary, do you have one of these?
Yes.
Okay, so just like you click for the games, we're going to click right here in that bubble. And now you can touch the letters on the keyboard. Whoop, click inside the bubble again. Try again. Is it working? Okay, do you see this X right here, Mary? Click that with your mouse. And now try to type the letter, touch a letter on your keyboard. There you go! Hooray! Oh, Queenie, you read the word beautiful. Good job. Okay, Mary, what can you type about Cinderella? Very good. Look how well you are writing. Mary, Queena, very nice. Bray, you think Cinderella is...
Heart.